The cheapest stocks to buy right now. Investing in stocks simply means acquiring little shares of ownership in a public companies. It is nothing much more than that. Those little shares you may have acquired are called the company stocks, and when you invest in them, you hope that the company continues to expand and increase its revenue and its income over time. In the event that the company does well enough, your shares in it become more precious and valuable, and some other investors may start looking to buy them from you at a higher price than you bought them for. And now, welcome back to my channel. My name is Antoaneta, and it is my joy and pleasure to be your host in today's video. Have you visited my channel before? If you do, I'm really positive you want to subscribe. This is because I really take it as a duty to help my viewers and subscribers to get the best tips they need to make proper investments, and at the same time to stay motivated all the time, and we share a lot of information about business as well. You may want to subscribe to my channel and enjoy those benefits. Also, I have an ever-expanding Facebook community that I would love you to be part of. So all you can do is just join my Facebook page as well. So, straight to the business of the day. We'll be looking at some of the cheapest stocks one can buy in the stock market today that have the potential to give profitable returns in the long run. We can start by repeating that investing in the stock market requires time, a lot of patience, and money, of course, but you do not need to break the bank to become a successful stock investor. In fact, most successful investors in the market today started very small and grew their wealth over time. Taking those little steps would set you up for bigger things in the long run. New investors should take the first steps of investing by putting money into what we call a brokerage account. These accounts help you invest in mutual funds or stocks. With a brokerage account, you can start investing with a single share of a company. Here are some steps to investing in the stock market. Decide how you wish to make investment in the stock market. It can be done by choosing companies and stocks on your own or by hiring experts to help with the process. Bear in mind they do take commissions. Or you can also invest in ISA and SIP here in UK. Select an investment account. This is very important, and it can be done with little money. You can open a brokerage account by yourself or open a robo-advisor brokerage account. Next, understand the difference between stocks and funds investments. You just have to make a choice between individual stocks and exchange traded funds. Then you set a specific budget for your investment. Ask yourself how much is needed for your investment. In this video, we'll be talking about the baby investment steps one can make with very little amounts. Invest for the long term. Investments in stocks have proven to be one of the most efficient ways to grow wealth for the long term. Since we will be talking about little amounts, these steps will be very crucial because it will take a lot of patience to turn your little investments into massive ones. Finally, you should be ready to manage your portfolio. This is the most important step in investing. Without proper portfolio management, it will be difficult to come up with the right returns on your investments. Keep track of what is happening and be sure it is in line with your investment goals. Even though it is quite possible to invest with little amounts of money, you need to understand that you need the right type of investment. You need to do your homework and research to find out just which company is good enough to maximize returns on your little investment. Luckily for you, I have done the homework and research and have come up with the best stocks one can buy with very little amounts. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research It's really important because this is only my experience and my ideas. What are those stocks that you can buy with your little money in the stock market today? And let's start with my first idea. ZIXI Corporation, ZIXI. During the pandemic, most companies came up with a lot of strategies to cope with the situation. More people started to work from home, and as you may know, most of work had to be done over the internet. Well, this means higher risk due to viruses and hacks that are present on the internet, and this company has come up with a proficient solution for this. Some of their security services include data loss prevention, email encryption, and securities for mobile apps and websites. Since most companies are beginning to go more and more digital, they will need some form of digital security, and this will maintain the company's relevance in the long term. Let's move to the second company, Gamida Cell Limited, GMDA. It is a biotechnology company that specializes in treating complications that come with rare blood disorders. Their most recent breakthrough was investing in a treatment to help blood cancer patients recover faster from blood marrow transplants. After positive results, their stocks and potentials are beginning to skyrocket, so you can always cash in on the opportunities before that happens. Next one is Accuray. Probably, sorry guys, if I don't pronounce correctly, please don't laugh at me. So take it as I'm not English, I'm not British, but I'm trying my best. ARAY. This is another company that occupies the medical space just like Gamida Cell Limited. They are more focused on making radiotherapy a more precise, effective, and accurate treatment for patients suffering from cancer. They work on the principle of minimal exposure of their treatments to other healthy parts of the body, giving the patients a better chance of surviving and recovering quickly. Like other companies in the medical space, there was a limitation to in-person treatments, which means they had to struggle financially. But when things go back to normal, you may be glad you had the stock in your portfolio. Next one is Vaxart, VXRT. With the coronavirus pandemic hitting the world as hard as it can and huge progress to finding vaccines and cure, this company is hoping to be a game changer. Although there are a lot of companies that have worked hard to create a vaccine, they have been innovative enough to try and create the vaccine in the form of pills. They are also diversifying, venturing into different forms of cell therapies which they hope to use in the treatment of viruses. If you believe in the long term and want a company with the potential to give great returns in the future, you may just be looking at one. The next one is another interesting company, Barnes & Noble Education, BNED. This is education branch of Barnes & Noble booksellers which aims to provide learning resources and materials for universities, other academic institutions as well, and even directly to students. You agree with me that these sales were negatively affected by the pandemic, but they adapted to the online version of learning for their clients. These clients were fully appreciative of the solution, and this may be a very good time to take the opportunities before things return to normal. Another interesting company is called Fat Brands. This group owns a variety of food stores and restaurants in different locations around the United States. Surprisingly, they have been able to open even more restaurants via their solid franchise during the past year. Yes, you can say there will always be a demand for food, no matter the situation of the world and the economy. They have also acquired certain companies, and that can boost their brand and revenues. Let's just move to Casper Sleep, CSPR. After a very long day, you may want to rest your head at night. This company can provide you with just that. Even though They started online, now they have retail stores around the US. Their unique strategies would help them boost their revenues, and investors may want to have a second look at their stock prices before they shoot over the moon. Casper Sleep, together with its subsidiaries, designs and sells sleep products to consumers in the United States, Canada, and Europe. It offers a range of mattresses, pillows, sheets, duvets, bedroom and furniture sleep accessories, sleep technology, and other sleep-centric products and services. As of December 31, 2020, the company distributes its products through its e-commerce platform, 67 Casper retail stores and 20 retail partners. The company was formerly known as a Providence Mattress Company and changed its name to Casper Sleep in January 2014. Casper Sleep was incorporated in 2013 and is headquartered in New York. And another one is Sirius XM Holdings, CIRI. When we go over to the entertainment market, we can always talk about this company. After merging with XM Radio in 2008, they are in pole position to dominate the satellite radio market, even though they have competition from Spotify and Apple Music. They have acquired the podcast app Stitcher and are seeing great returns and more users. You may just want to consider investing in these stocks. And my last idea is Jushi Holdings, JUSHF. Medical marijuana is gaining more and more popularity in the world of medicine, and it may be a wise choice to start investing it now. CBD related products are now being touted for their scientific and medical benefits, and this may put Jushi Holdings on a front foot. There has been growth in their stock prices and future earnings are looking promising. Now that their stock prices are low, it could be a good time to invest in their stocks. And there you have it. We have discussed some of the cheaper stocks with promising potential. You must note, however, that low stock prices are widely known for volatility, but they can still be a great addition to any portfolio. Start investing today. And let me tell you, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your diligence to investigate, to do your own research, and to find the right information. And if you decide to invest in one of these companies, please be sure to invest in a long term, because you cannot expect they to turn a lot of profit for you just now. So if you need to double your investment, be a long-term investor. There you have it. We have discussed some of the cheaper stocks with promising potentials. You must note, however, that low stock prices are widely known for volatility, but they can still be a great addition to any portfolio. Start investing today. Don't forget, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends, and also let me know your views and comments in the comment box down below. So, till next time, stay very, very motivated. I'll see you soon, and thank you for watching.